I love you already, Feisty. Get Feisty. You my kind of dog. You got high energy. I'm 68 with high energy, man. I'm sorry.
You think you can handle him, Larry?
He's got energy without hyperactivity. Sometimes they're a little...
It's controlled energy. Yeah.
Sit.
He's good.
I was real pleased to see that he's an athlete.
Yeah, I think you just created a monster. I'd correct him, start correcting him now. If you don't ask for it.
I'm just telling him down. I'm tired of it. Yeah, brother. Yeah. I can't wait till they finish your training so I can take you home. Next time I come, I'm taking you home. Okay? Next time I come, I'm taking you home. You want to walk around a little bit more?
Yeah.
I'm going to get out of the chair and see how you play with me on the ground, okay?
All right.
I'm going to use these steps to get down so I can get back in the chair. Sit. 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 Hey, down. Down. Stay. 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 Down. Stay. Stay. Hey, big fella. Hey, there you go. That's what I want you to do so I can rub that belly. Yeah, that's what I want you to so I can rub that belly. You love belly rub, don't you? Huh? You like belly rub? Yeah, I know. You like belly rub, don't you? Huh? You like a belly rub? Yeah. You like a belly rub? Yeah. I like a belly rub. I like the belly rub. I like the belly rub. Stop. Stop. No bite. Stop. I'm not a chew toy. You hear me? You're not supposed to do that with your harness on. You know that? Huh? You know that? Yeah. You know that?